and welcome to Law Seeker. Now let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. We start with the national news first. So recently, 3 botany teachers, they've discovered new plant species. This newly discovered species, it is called Clisthanthes dikshabhumiana, and this was during taxonomic explorations in the Ambagad forest of the Bhandara district of Maharashtra. Moving on, so Assam officially recorded the semi-wild mithun. It is, also called the cattle of the mountain. So this is for the first time discovered in 3 remote pockets of the Dima Hasao district of Assam. It adds to mithun populations of a couple of other states like Arunachal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. The Reserve Bank of India, it has announced premature redemption dates for sovereign gold bonds. This is which were issued between May of 2017 to May of 2020. Now, investors, they can redeem 30 tranches of these bonds between October 2024 and February 7, 2025. Tanjore-1, this is a satellite developed by Coalition during NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. It was launched aboard SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to detect major emitters of carbon dioxide and methane. India's top junior shuttler Tanvi Patri claimed under 15 girls single title badminton at Asia under 17 and under 15 junior championships. This was in Chengdu in China. Senior IPS officer B. Srinivas, who is the 1992 batch officer of the Bihar cadre, he was appointed as the Director General, the DG of the National Security Guard, which is India's counter-terrorism force. Now lastly, for the national news, Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech Limited, it launched Hilcol, which is an oral cholera vaccine. This was developed in collaboration with Hillman Laboratories of the University of Gothenburg and Gotovax AB. Now let's talk about the international news developments, and we start off with a very important update. We all know how a couple of countries like we have Australia, Canada, these are very sought after, international avenues for Indian students from states like Punjab. Now, the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, he has announced a reduction in the temporary foreign work program, thereby affecting thousands of Indian students in a couple of sectors, be it hospitality, retail and agriculture. This is driven by 30-month high unemployment rate, which is 6.4%, and it is aimed to prioritize the local job opportunities and ease the unemployment pressure that is, faced by the Canadians. Now, the 23rd International Mother Teresa ceremony, it was held on 26th of August at the Millennium Plaza in Dubai. And this was to celebrate the 114th birth anniversary of Mother Teresa. And lastly, winding up with an important day-related update. So the week concerned is World Water Week 2024. So, the World Water Week running from August 25th to 29th of August, it focuses on water cooperation for peace and security. The theme for this year's week is Bridging Borders, Water for a Peaceful and Sustainable Future. It highlights the need for regional and global collaboration when it comes to ensuring a sustainable future for the coming generations. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe until we meet again.